Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz, and this is my Week 3 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today we made a volcano. For the volcano, we used baking soda, a paper towel, a water bottle, vinegar, and I also had a baking sheet underneath in case the bubbles foamed over, but I didn't fill it enough so for it to foam over. So now I'm going to show you me doing the experiment. Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz, and this is my Week 3 Interactive Concept. Today we are making a volcano. So I have my baking soda, my paper towel, water bottle, and my vinegar. Today we're supposed to see the reaction that vinegar has with baking soda. So vinegar is the weak acid and baking soda will be the weak base. So I'm going to take my baking soda, pour some on my paper towel, wrapping my paper towel. I'm going to take my vinegar and pour it inside. You can see the paper towel is blowing up, and as the vinegar as the baking soda and the vinegar mix is starting to bubble up and fizz. Thank you. So some items to note before starting this experiment were that vinegar is made of water, salt, and acetic acid, and baking soda contains bicarbonate. Vinegar was the weak acid, which means it only releases some of its hydrogen atoms into the solution, which would be mixing with the baking soda. And the baking soda was the weak base. It only partially accepts some of hydroxide ions when in a solution. So what happened during this experiment? Whenever the baking soda and vinegar mixed, this created the visible reaction of the bubbling. So as soon as some of the baking soda got out of the paper towel, it right away started mixing and bubbling, and this was the visible reaction. Because the acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate didn't mix together, this is what caused the reaction. The bubbles produced were the carbon dioxide escaping, and once the bottle sat there for a while, the bubbles finally stopped, and this was because once all of the carbon dioxide was gone, the reaction was over. And the only two things left from the experiment were the sodium acetate and then the water. Thank you.